The Secretariat of the Election Observation Mission of the G7 Plus held a coordination meeting in Lisbon, Portugal, to discuss the activities the team will carry out during the observation of the Presidential and Parliamentary Elections in Guinea-Bissau, which will take place on the 23rd November 2025. The Director of Operations of the G7 Plus, Feliz Piedade, explained that this meeting was organized because the National Electoral Commission of Guinea-Bissau this year invited not only the G7 Plus from Timor-Leste, but also G7 Plus members from other countries, such as the Solomon Islands and São Tomé and Príncipe.
Primeiro, magpudihari untuk programa nebe makikipa ni ato halo. Começa abang nebe malatoran ka Guinea-Bissau. Nós programa nebe maksihalo de observar campanha antes das eleições. No atividade nebe makatuhalo durante dia lorong das eleições dia 23 de novembro de 2025. Nós tarefa atividade depois das eleições. A agenda segundo nebe magoinhami hari muito maka formulário ida nebe makami se usa. Para poder halo observação durante missão na cidade de Guinea-Bissau.
At the same time, the head of the Election Observation Mission, Cristina Joana Mitini, expressed her gratitude to Guinea-Bissau, the National Electoral Commission of Guinea-Bissau, and the G7 Plus Secretariat for inviting her to participate directly in this election observation mission.
We'll move on to agenda number 3. I will give a little bit of remarks as the head of mission for our mission today, for our meeting today. So basically, in terms of our agenda, we will have our introductions, and then I will give a short official remarks before we go into the.
This coordination meeting was led by the head of the EOM, Cristina Joana Mitini, the G7 Plus Director of Operations, Feliz Piedade, the Director General of the Technical Secretariat for Electoral Administration, Elvino Fernandes Muniz, the Secretary General of the National Electoral Commission of the Democratic Republic of São Tomé and Príncipe, Melvim Nascimento Castro, the G7 Plus Protocol and Partnership Officer, Elísio Monteiro Valadares, and the G7 Plus Personal Assistant, Vitor Leo Gonçalves.